Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Aquarius. These are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Aquarius, if you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards. Here we have Ace of Fire, Ace of Air, and Eight of Air. So, in your circumstances, guys, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you have a particular idea about certain thing, or you are expecting certain things in your life, and today circumstances are quite different. Circumstances are something that is changing so much, transforming so much, and you cannot hold on to something and expect certain results for you, guys. So you may feel that you are unable to see things clearly today, and have that solid expectation regarding something, maybe in your work or in your relationship. So whatever is happening is changing the way things are going, changing you emotionally, and there are huge changes in your physical circumstances. So something new, maybe some new opportunities are coming your way, something that makes you cheerful or confident, or for some of you, you feel like quite uncertain about your future. You don't know what you need or what will work or what will be the right choice. So some kind of confusion or doubts may be there in your heart. Maybe on certain things you are dreaming so much, dreaming about your future, and maybe in certain things it may work out, your dreams may come true, and you will see that circumstances are aligning for you in certain things. But maybe in certain decisions or certain circumstances you feel really lost, you don't know the truth. Maybe it may be your energy towards this relationship, or maybe this person's energy towards you. Maybe they want clarity, they want a better understanding. So they are quite worried about something. They don't know about you, they don't know what is in your heart and what will be the right thing for them or for you. So some kind of lack of clarity is there in your circumstance. So you want the truth. You are someone really honest, so you want the truth in your circumstance, guys. And this person may feel some way, you may feel some way, but if you love them, if that is the truth of your heart, and you want this person, your actions and your intentions will be based on that. So that is what these cards are about, guys. So you are in denial, you are denying this love you have for this person. So that may be the reason for confusion or doubts you have. And you are in a lot of pain because it is going against your heart. Maybe the separation, you want to move away from this person, but you love them. So let's see what is the card for your relationship, guys. We have 7 of water. So maybe you have a lot of dreams and fantasies. You would have had a lot of dreams and fantasies, expectations about your person. Maybe this person is not someone, not your dream person, but still you have a true love between you both. So if you want to, stand for that true love, you will make a right choice today, guys, Aquarius, for your relationship. So for your career circumstance, guys, we have 9 of water. So in your work situation, I think you are seeing great opportunities coming your way, some kind of good positive opportunities with lucrative returns. So you will have a sense of completion and happiness in your work situation, guys, Aquarius. So that is the reading with these cards, Aquarius. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with this first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is your first card. I'll keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, Snow White and Rose Red, Sister Love. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe you have a very loving and caring family and people who trust you, people who are truly concerned about you, and you need to appreciate the things in your life, guys. Maybe this family, the people you have, and the blessings you have. When you appreciate the blessings you have already, and when you are happy for whatever is there with you, you are going to have that peace, happiness and contentment in your heart, and that happiness is going to radiate in all the facets of your life. So when you are feeling really blessed for this friendship you have with the people you love, maybe your parents, sibling or friends, or it may be even people in your work, the friendship you have, and when you find that happiness with them, when you try to find the blessing in any situation, just like finding the gem in the dirt and a star in the dark night. So whatever good quality these people have, or whatever goodness you feel from them, when you appreciate that, you are going to be more stronger, you are going to feel more strengthened. And maybe each and every one of us, we have the darker aspects of human nature and the brighter aspects. We have the negative things like anger and resentment inside us, but we should not reject that, guys. We must just accept it with honesty. When we do that, we are going to see so much happiness and abundance flowing in our situation, and we are going to strengthen the bond we have with the people we love. And the way we are cheerful, the way we are happy with the things we have today, maybe appreciate the blessings that we have. Many more blessings are or will flow towards us, guys, when we are happy for what we have today. And when we are doing good, we are only getting goodness back to us. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So for those who chose the second card, this card, let's see what it is. And it is bronzite. So it is a crystal spirit card, guys. So maybe in your circumstances, maybe in this relationship, you were betrayed in the past and it was too much for you to handle, a lot of pain, a lot of sadness. But this crystal spirit reminds you that you can be much more wiser, you can be much more stronger today by extending trust once again, maybe in this relationship. But it may be quite challenging based on your past experience. You feel that you cannot trust anyone. But this crystal spirit cards tell you that you need to be really mindful of the signs. Maybe sometimes you may see sign for you to move back in a relationship, maybe take a step back and nurture yourself. When you see that, you must do that. But this card asks you to trust this person again, maybe give them another chance. It may be the past person or it may be this present person. So your past should not change the way you are seeing your present love, your present situation. So you need to be true to yourself, true, honest to yourself first. So what you truly feel in your heart of hearts, when you do that, you are going to be honest with that other person. And when you build that loving relationship with yourself, you will be able to build that loving and respectful relationship with another person. And remember, guys, you are always protected when you are divinely directed. So you must do the right thing you feel deep down in your heart. So whatever you feel is the honest choice or that honest decision, you must stand for that, guys. So your loyalty and steadfastness is what will be rewarded by the universe. So universe is here to guide you if you are really truthful. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. Thank you, guys, for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, guys. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.